another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little week of winter arc in my life. So I'm going to be vlogging kind of throughout this week and showing you what healthy habits I've adopted throughout this winter arc that I'm doing. Just healthy habits that you could implement into your life, whether you're doing the winter arc or not. They're just really good habits. I've just got back from the gym and I did glutes today. 20 minutes of the Stairmaster. It is literally death. The gym now is just more of like a mind game. Your brain is lazy. Your brain wants you to stay at home. Your brain wants you to sleep in, stay at home, don't go to the gym. But no, you've got to kind of remove yourself from your brain, from your thoughts, and just go. Remind yourself that you are in control of your brain and of your thoughts. This is my outfit. This new sweater that I got from Hollister when I went to Exeter. For breakfast, I'm going to be making my favourite fixation breakfast at the moment, which is my breakfast burrito. And I make a homemade oat wrap, which is literally just oats and water and a little bit of salt. And then you just fry it on the pan for a bit and it turns into like a gluten-free, healthy 2-ingredient wrap. But yeah, to my oat wrap though, I do add a tablespoon of protein powder just for extra protein. But if you're looking for a good high protein breakfast, healthy, to eat after the gym, this is a really good one. So I've got my breakfast now. Here it is. When I tell you this is the best breakfast ever, I know it doesn't look too presentable, but it is really good. It hits every time. There's one ingredient missing, which is green onions. Add green onions and then it'll be 100%. And these are little like pickled onions, not pickled onions, pickled cucumbers. But they're not like fully pickled, but my mum makes them and they're really, really good. Hey guys, so I just came back from college and college was good. First day back after half term, not too fun, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I just made a little list. This is everything I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna do some social influence flashcards. This is psychology flashcards, law, edit my YouTube video so far, and then do some of my business. And yeah, so basically this is what I'm gonna do after college, just revision, because I do have my A-levels in like 7 months. It is a little bit stressful, but it's okay because we are on the way to success. I've got a routine in place. I've just got to keep going through this revision and everything will be fine. A new day today, Tuesday. I've just been to the gym. I trained on, okay, you literally saw what I did. I don't need to explain it. Anyway, I've just gotten dressed. It's 9:43. I start college at 1 today. I've got a late start. I usually use this time to do some revision. So I'm going to be doing some flashcards right now on Quizlet. I just want to show you my hoodie today. Oh my gosh, I love it. It has pink bows. Just wearing the same jeans as yesterday from Addicted. These light wash jeans because I love how like light blue and light pink complement each other. I love this hoodie. And then for breakfast, I'm gonna have the same thing as yesterday. So we're doing psychology revision right now.
I stay in bed for so.
Hi guys, so it is Wednesday today. I've just made my breakfast, which is a granola bowl. And on Wednesdays I have to wake up at like 5 a.m. I didn't really record much other than my breakfast today because it's a very tight schedule so that I can make it on time to college. Ingredients used in here was from a brand called Vilgain. They have so much good healthy foods on their website. Use code OGEATS for 10% off their website, and I'll put a link down below into their website. But their granola, oh my gosh, it's so good. Let's just do a little taste test for you guys. When I say this is the best granola, I mean it's the best granola. So yeah, it's like 7:30 right now. This is like the days of the week where I have to wake up early because I have 9 a.m. start at college, but I do also have a full day at college today, 9 a.m. till 4:40. So I don't know how much I'll be able to vlog. I did do some Pilates this morning as well. Obviously read my book. I'll now eat this and then I'll be off to college. So as you saw, I just came back from the gym. I did go to the gym. I trained legs. Today was one of those days where like I just could not finish my cardio. I could just feel my body was like not having it. This is your sign that if your body is signaling to you that you just can't do it anymore or it's tired, don't push it because it could actually do you more harm than good. So today, instead of doing 20 minutes on the treadmill, I did 15, and it's okay. I know it's only 5 minutes, but that I just knew I couldn't do that extra 5 minutes, and I really pushed myself. But like today is just one of those days where like my body was not having it. I still pushed through the workout. I did at least 15 minutes on the treadmill. So your sign to not push your body to exceed its limits, because it's okay to push your body to its limits, but don't exceed them. If you can feel your body is like not having it, like literally deteriorating, because I thought I was gonna deteriorate, don't push it because it's just gonna do you more harm than good. This week's video. I hope you enjoyed my little week in the life of Winter Arc. I was just basically recording different healthy habits I've been doing over the past month, 2 months, and I'm gonna try to implement these into my everyday routine, not just for Winter Arc but for the rest of my life basically. I'm gonna try bring these habits into 2025. And yeah, so if you guys enjoy this type of content, please comment down below that you enjoy it and that you'd like to see more of it, or do you enjoy more of my just like talking informational videos? I know it doesn't seem like I do much of in my life other than college, revision, gym, editing YouTube videos. Back to school season, I've got to be in the grind, I've got to be locked in because exams are coming up closer and closer, so I have no other choice. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and yeah, bye.